Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today's video is my self-care Sunday routine. I'm going to show you a typical day that I have about once a fortnight where I make some time for myself. This particular morning, Peter has gotten up early with the boys and I have had a nice long lie-in. Generally, I get up very early, so I love to have a nice lie-in every so often just as a treat. So once I have woken myself up and had a little scroll on my phone, I put on a nice cozy dressing gown or cardigan. This particular morning, it is my favourite H&M cardigan that is so cozy. I then go straight to the bathroom to brush my teeth, and then I will come back and make the bed. I always make the bed. I absolutely love having the bed made. I feel like the bedroom automatically looks so much tidier and it just makes me feel that little bit more organised for the day ahead. And once the bed is made, I love to use this Planet Spa Avon lavender spray. It just smells amazing. It has a really nice, relaxing, calming feel when it's sprayed on everything. I just love the smell of it. This video is very kindly sponsored by Cuddle Plushie, a brand that I have completely fallen in love with. They offer all kinds of quality organic cotton bath products at really affordable prices. I actually did not realise until using their products how much of a difference good quality towels make to my bathing experience. It's like being at a spa. Honestly, the quality is unreal. They are so thick and cozy, and because they are made from the thickest, plushiest organic cotton, it means that the towel is less clingy than ordinary towels, and they dry you 3 times faster than the average towel, which I'm finding amazing for my hair because I'm using much less heat. They have also given my bathroom a much needed upgrade because they just look and feel so luxurious. It's so funny because the kids actually call them the fancy towels because there is obviously such a clear difference from my towels before to these ones. I also have a discount code below if you want to check out any of their products. So I am now going to have myself a nice relaxing shower, and before I do this I am just lighting some candles. I love to do this when I've got time just because it makes the room smell gorgeous and it just makes me feel really cozy and relaxed. I think it's all about having that at-home spa experience and just treating yourself, just doing little things for yourself that you don't always do. And in the shower I will be using my absolute favourite shampoo and conditioner, the Argan Oil of Morocco. It always makes my hair really soft and shiny, and I'm also using this Ted Baker body wash at the moment, which I love the smell of. I also have this Sunday Rain foaming bubble bar, which I love as well. You are supposed to put it in the bath, but sometimes I just like to use it in the shower and just crumble it up and use it as just like a lather soap. I also have this handmade exfoliating brush from Cuddle Plushie. This is perfect for exfoliating dry winter skin, and it also unclogs pores. Just makes your bath experience much more luxurious having something like this. I have wrapped my hair up in the gorgeous Cuddle Plushie towel that is going to dry it 3 times faster than normal towels. And now I am just going over my skin with this Aldi cleanser that I am so in love with. I will link it below. And I'm also using my Lumi Spa that just takes all makeup off and gives your skin a really good clean. Again, I will link it below if you are interested in having a look at that product. I am now using a product that I got in this month's glossy box that I am obsessed with. It is the Mud Masky Under Eye Face Mask, and I am seeing great results with that. And another one of my favourite products is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter. This just makes my skin smell and feel so soft. I need to get a bigger pot. This again was out of a glossy box and I'm just obsessed with it. I find it amazing. I've also got this honey and oatmeal face mask by Makeup Revolution, so I'm just going to obviously avoid under the eyes where I have my eye mask and just put this on all around my skin. It is so nice, this mask. It makes my skin feel really soft. And if you know me, I have said before that I am all for affordable skincare, so I love anything that works and is a bargain. I also have some products from Aldi, the Caviar face cream and the Healthy Glow plumping serum that I just like to put on after my skincare. It just gives my skin a gorgeous glow. Next, I am just gonna get some clothes out for myself. It is all about the comfies, so I have got joggers, my big snuggly cardigan again, and my fluffy slippers, and I'm just gonna head downstairs. Everybody is in the living room playing on games, and I'm gonna sneak into the kitchen and make myself a coffee and some breakfast. I absolutely love this coffee. It's my absolute favorite one, so I always look forward to a cup of this in the mornings, and I've made an extra big one this time. And then for breakfast, I am just taking some chia seeds, some blueberries, and some of this Tesco Finest Greek yogurt, and then some clear honey. This is just my favourite thing in the world to eat at the moment. It just makes me feel really good, and it just tastes really delicious. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see. And once I have made myself some food and a coffee, I am going to head straight back upstairs so that I can just go over my journal and have that little bit of time to plan my day, do a little bit of reading. It is just a perfect time for me to just have a few moments. I love to plan my goals. Even on chill days, I like to write a little list, especially on a Sunday. I will go through things that I want to get done in the following week. This gorgeous daily journal was from my friend for my birthday, and I absolutely love it. I know I say that all the time about things, but this is just so gorgeous. So I just like to sit and do that, and I also have a little read through this most days as well. I think it's really important to just have a little bit of time to reflect on things. This is the book by Vex King that I know loads of people have. It is a really good read, really uplifting and positive. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see. One of my favourite things to do when I am having a day at home relaxing is to do some baking. Plus, I have a very sweet tooth, so that is another reason to get in the kitchen and make some chocolate chip cookies. The recipe that I have used here is my favourite one of all time. It is so easy. It doesn't have any eggs or anything like that in. It is a really simple, basic recipe, but they always taste amazing. You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me. So I will link the recipe below if you want to try them for yourself. I made mine triple chocolate, so just all the chocolate I could find went in there, dark, milk and white, and I also put in some mini Rolos, which is always gorgeous in cookies because all of the caramel melts and goes really chewy. But I don't think there is anything nicer than the smell of fresh baked cookies all through the house, and these were incredible. And the reason why we stay, we fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. So to now finish off my perfect self-care Sunday morning, I am going to get all the snacks, snuggle up with the kids and Peter and put on a film, get all the throws, and we've got Rudy there as well, and that is just the perfect end to a really chilled, relaxed morning. We love Disney on Sky. There's always so many films on there that we will all watch together. This one is actually Soul that we're watching, which is a really good film. I would recommend. It's good for the family. And that is going to be the end of today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I'm going to include every product and things that I mentioned down below, and also that great discount code for Cuddle Plushie if you want to check out their products. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love it if you gave it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you are not already subscribed, and I would love to see you again for my next one. Bye everyone!